We're joined here on the red carpet with Mr. Benjay of the New Boyz. And Benjay, what's up, man? How are you?
Man, I'm chilling. I'm just enjoying life right now. We got this new project out. We want everybody to check out. We the Party. Shout out to Mario Van Peebles.
Tell us about the role you play in the film, man.
My name's Stunner in the film. You know, basically I'm a jock. I'm best friends with Quincy. You know, we was causing trouble a little bit. Tried to get the girl, you know, tried to take her to prom, but she kind of like, you know, didn't want to go with me. But it's all good.
What are you guys working on right now, man?
Man, we just dropped our Fully tape, man. You got to check it out. It's all over World Star. Not World Star, my fault, but it will be. It's all over Hot New Hip Hop.
You'll put it on there.
Yeah, it's all over Hot New Hip Hop, etc. LA Leakers just dropped it, man. Shout out to all the homies, you know.
Sounds good, man. Hey, Benjay, any advice you could give out there to the youth? Because, you know, more importantly about this film, there's a positive message that you guys are spreading, man.
Yeah, I mean, we just basically letting the world know how we are, like, because a lot of the people don't see how the younger generation is out here on the West. Like,
right.
We out here, like, living life just like the adults, you know, we just doing our own thing. They got the whole movement with the clothes, you know, they got smart students, you know, just doing stuff with their life, you know, doing jobs, like promotional stuff, like etc. Like just making money for themselves, just out here living it. And you know, that's what you got to do. Basically, you got to do it yourself. You got to do everything yourself. Be yourself as a person, 100.
Thanks so much, man. Check us out on MoveFaces.com too, man.
Hey, man, MoveFaces.com, man. I remember we had the first interview a long time ago.
That was, wow, we have to go back. When was that? That was before Tommy Down hit, man.
Yeah, that was your jerk days, man.
Yeah, man. You guys set a movement, man. I mean, look at the groups that came after you guys, man.
Yeah, man, we did set a movement. We opened all doors, but I mean, everybody doing their thing, you know. Shout out to everybody creative. Nobody jocking out here.
It's incredible right now.
It's incredible.